Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI.
If you want lamps that instantly elevate your space without trying too hard, these by BOBOMOMO might just be the ones. The first thing you notice about these lamps is how beautiful they are. The vintage leaf design and the rustic resin finish give them such a warm, elegant look. They feel unique, something you don't see everywhere, and the linen shades make everything look soft and clean. They're also super easy to use. They come with clear instructions that make assembly simple, so you're set up in minutes. The switch is very straightforward and everything feels user friendly. Another thing I love is how versatile they are. These lamps work in any space, living room, hallway, nursery, but I'm displaying mine in the bedroom and they instantly make the room feel cleaner and more put together. The overall design is truly what stands out. It's rustic but classy, detailed yet minimal, the perfect farmhouse elegant vibe without feeling cluttered. So if you want lighting that's stylish, simple, and instantly upgrades your space, these lamps might be the glow up your room's been waiting for.
And that's my point of view.